Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Gift M channel, which is where we'll be covering management assistant subjects. Yes, and this is a new channel, so please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it to some of your friends. And today we'll actually be doing computing concepts and application skills. This is actually a part 1 to this topic, so please keep your head up for a part 2 because we'll be doing a part 2 really soon. So yes, let's get into this. Guys, ICT refers to using computer technologies such as computers, tablets, and cell phones to share information such as images and videos with the use of communication technologies such as cell phone towers, satellites, and the internet. ICT allows governments, organizations, and people to be connected together through the internet. The internet can be accessed by all members of the public, and sometimes there are situations in which information that we communicate has to be private or restricted to members of an organization or workplace. And in these cases, organizations will make use of private networks to communicate, right? And the full term for ICT is actually information and communication technology, as you can see on the screen, and the definition is the combination of electronic computing devices and network connections such as the internet. So ICT is actually really important in our lives because, as you know, guys, we use this like each and every day, and we have these uses for computer, and we have the applications and the uses, and like computers and other digital devices are a huge part of people's lives. They are extremely important for governments, businesses, and other entities, as I said in the beginning. They serve different purposes for different people. Listed below are some of the uses of computers and software applications, but then I'm sure you guys already know these uses because you're using phones and computers each and every day. But then let's get into it. And then we have personal uses and organizational uses, right? Personal uses are when individuals use computers for some of the following reasons. The examples of the reasons are playing games using gaming apps, using the internet, maybe through the apps, YouTube, just like you guys are doing right now, using social media applications. There are many uses of computers and applications for organizations, right? And then the organizations usually uses computers for they can communicate with other branches across different parts of the country. Employees can work from home by connecting to office networks using the internet, and employees can also store information relating to the business, right? So, like I said, computers are very important. What can we do nowadays without any technologies? Because so guys, what is a portable device? A portable device is a computing device that can be carried around easily. Yes, you heard that. And then by these terms I'm talking about smartphones, laptops, tablets, digital readers, wearable devices, gaming devices, those kind of stuff, because computers are electronic devices that perform certain tasks or actions. A computer takes in input in the form of keystrokes, mouse movements, and touch screens. The computer then processes the information and generates an output on a computer screen, cell phone screens, or even hard copy output such as printout. So let's take a look at some of these devices in greater detail, because I'm just gonna mention maybe 4 of them, because these other ones are just So smartphones. A smartphone is like a mini computer. It allows the user to use similar applications that would normally be used on a PC, which is a personal computer, such as word processing, spreadsheets, email, and web browsers. The smartphone allows the user to connect to the internet and interact through different social media applications, right? And then laptops, A laptop is a portable version of a computer. Yes, you heard that. It functions like a PC. It has a screen for output and a keypad for input. Some laptops have touch screens so they can accept, input by touching the screen the same way as a smartphone. A laptop runs on a battery or a power supply, and sometimes even both. Yes, guys. So a laptop is basically just like a computer. The difference is that it is just, portable. You can just like carry it around, And then wearable devices. A wearable device is an electronic digital device that a person wears on or close to the body. Examples are smartwatches, and activity trackers, and actually these are quite famous on nowadays. Wearable devices have many advantages and can connect to other mobile devices such as smartphones. Activity trackers are usually used to track fitness levels and monitor heart rates. So this is actually a very good device when it comes to your fitness life, when you want to track your progress and everything. And a gaming device is used for playing video games or electronic games. The gaming console can be connected to a television so that the game can be viewed on a screen. Games can be multiplayer or single player games. They even allow for the internet connectivity, which means that games can be played with people who are in different locations over the internet. Some gaming devices can also be handheld so that they do not require a connection to a television. So yes, guys, this is actually all for this video today, and please remember, I didn't want to make a long video, so I just made a part 1. Stay tuned for a part 2, and as I said in the beginning, get this video to 100 likes and share it with your friends. It will be very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.